Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Pathfinder. In this video I'll show you how to unlock and lift up the hood. In the beginning, take a look under the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever, simply pull it and the hood is now unlocked. Now we have to locate second lever to unlock it again. The second lever is located right in the middle. It's a little bit jammed, but it's right here. Okay, and now we can lift up the hood. The lever is here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.